Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the 4500 LBS winch from RocwooD. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Take a look at the shipper box because we have the picture of the product on the front, as well as the SKU on the side. As this product is heavy, it's got plastic ties wrapping around it to make sure it stays nice and secure during shipping. They're also very satisfying to cut. This is one of the best winches available on the market at the moment. This is due to the high tensile precision engineered gears and the seamless clutch action of our gearbox. This winch can pull 2,041 kilograms and you won't have to worry about completing the toughest jobs. Here, look at the product box. It shows where the winch can be mounted on certain vehicles. Take a look inside. It's included what's inside. For a start, once this thing gets unstuck from the instruction manual, it's the instruction manual. Both the 3000 and the 4500 use the same instruction manual. There's also a tag used to go on the hook when the vehicle is in motion, along with the 3 extra cables to be able to connect it to the battery box. A connector switch is also available. Once we lift this polystyrene up, we'll be seeing more of the product. The nuts and bolts are included in the winch to be able to mount it to the winch plate as well as the actual vehicle. It also comes with a fair lead roller. In addition, the hook is packaged separately. Here is the battery component box. And finally, here is the winch. As you can see, it's nice and strong and quite heavy, however it can be lifted with one hand. And below that is located is the winch plate. Here are the specifications for the product. Its clutch, which is free spool, can rotate 105 degrees. Its duty cycle is intermittent. It has a fair lead roller. Its gear ratio is 271:1. Its gear train is 2-stage plant entry. Its rated pull line is 4,500 pounds. Its weight is 15 kilograms, and its dimensions are 350 millimeters by 150 millimeters by 120 millimeters. Important: avoid side pulls and never hook the wire back onto itself when using the winch. The product also features galvanized steel wire at 6.6mm by 15m. In addition, to connect the wires to the winch, they are colour coded so you know which one goes in what area. The red goes to the red and the black goes to the black. Here are the dimensions for the winch plate. Now that you've watched the main video for one of our winches, it's now to the comparisons. We have 4 winches in the RocwooD lineup. One at 3000 lbs, 4500 lbs, 13500 lbs, and another one at that as well. From this picture on the screen, as you can see, I've put them in the size of scale. The smaller ones can be used for smaller pickup trucks, whereas the bigger ones can be used for more commercial uses or for lifting heavier things. All of the winches all operate the same, however the major difference is the smaller winches come with their own winch plate that can be removed, however the bigger ones, being so big, just get directly mounted onto the vehicle. If you're interested about learning more about our other winches in depth, we have some videos also uploaded. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.